Aisha walked home from the mosque, her heart filled with peace and devotion. Her steps were light, and the path was familiar, lined with blooming wildflowers that danced in the evening air.
Another blessed day,
she whispered, her fingers tracing the beads of her prayer necklace. Aisha paused abruptly, her heart skipping a beat, as a sinister voice whispered her name with chilling clarity. Her breath caught in her throat, and she spun around, eyes wide with terror. But the street lay empty, save for the rustling leaves.
Who's there?
She called out, her voice trembling, but only the wind replied. Aisha lay in bed, her mind racing. The voice returned, louder, more menacing, shaking her to her core. Her brother slept soundly beside her, oblivious to the supernatural terror unraveling in the room.
Aisha, you cannot escape me.
It growled, echoing in the depths of her soul. Aisha's family, desperate for answers, summoned Sheikh Abdul Rahman, a wise scholar revered for his knowledge of the unseen realms. His presence brought a glimmer of hope amidst the pervasive fear.
We shall drive away this malevolent force,
he declared, his voice steady and filled with conviction. Sheikh Abdul Rahman began reciting verses from the Quran, his voice resonating with unwavering strength. Aisha convulsed, her eyes wild as the jinn within her screamed in defiance.
She belongs to me. She called my name.
The entity roared, its form shifting into a towering silhouette with eyes like burning embers. Aisha lay unconscious, her face serene. When she awoke, the darkness that had plagued her was gone, vanished into the void. Her faith and the power of the sacred verses had driven the jinn away, restoring tranquility to her soul and the village.
Never again will I walk alone in the night,
she vowed, her heart filled with newfound strength and wisdom.